Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have a Greek feta salad. We're going to start by poking a bunch of holes in our chicken breast with a fork, and then we're going to semi-butterfly this. You can just cut it in half, but you want to take a knife and put the fillet around and then run the knife the length of the fillet. If you want a butterfly, that's fine. Just don't cut all the way through. All right, next step. And then in a pan with some oil, we want to place our chicken breast in. And then we want to season it, and you can really season it any way you like. I went with, again, a beer chicken mix I got from my local grocery store. But you can do anything you like, or just salt and pepper. Anyway, make sure you generously season it, because again, you're going to lose a bunch when you go to flip the chicken. All right. Okay, and through the magic of cooking show editing, our chicken is done. Make sure you cook it to at least 165, but it should look a little something like this. Now we got to make our Greek-style dressing, and for this, we want the zest and juice of one large lemon. To make sure the seeds don't get in there, either you can use your hands or you can just use a strainer like I'm using here. You can find them at any big box retailer, a Target, Walmart, doesn't matter. And then you want to add approximately 1/4 cup of red wine vinegar. And then you want to add 1 clove of garlic that's been minced up. And about a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Finally, you want to top this off with a teaspoon of dried oregano. And, of course, a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. And then you just want to grab a little whisk and give this a whisk. And then I just pour this into one of my little condiment bottles, and we're pretty much ready for assembly. All right, we have our romaine lettuce ready to go. Now we're gonna sprinkle on some of that chicken, followed by some bacon pieces. How you make these is you slice bacon up really small and throw it in a pan and fry it up. A dusting of Parmesan cheese, followed up by a generous drizzle of the dressing we made, and finally topped off with some crumbled feta cheese. And that's it. Our Greek feta salad, done.